Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing some side camera covers for the side of my Tesla Model Y, the little repeater cameras on each side of the car. Little covers to really give it some accent, really make them stand out. Let's get into it. So first off, let's do a quick unboxing of what these camera covers actually look like. I got these covers from EV-Base in the style of my choosing. I make a couple different varieties, but I really kind of like this style. So let's pull one out and see what they actually look like here. Out of its packaging, comes really nicely packaged and everything. And there you go. That's kind of the style, a nice matte black finish. And it's just going to cover up our camera and add some styling to the side of the car. It's kind of that really nice fin style, add some depth and dimension to the actual side of our car. Normally you'd want to do this on a nice clean surface. Unfortunately it's winter here and I haven't had a chance to wash my car, so I cleaned off this whole area with some of that waterless wash. And I'm going to really try to install these and see how they look. Looking at the actual cover itself, it's made of a high quality ABS plastic, just like the actual front lip I have installed down there that's lasted me a long time. EV-Base makes some really high quality products that will last a long time. And I love that matte black finish. I believe this comes in a couple different finishes too. So just find one that you think would look good on your car. As you can see, super simple to install. You just peel off the actual backing along the back, and it's just going to be a stick adhesive kind of piece that's going to fit right here on your car, line up perfectly with your actual door trim there. And let's go ahead and get it installed. So after I peeled off all the sticky adhesive on the back, I really just want to make sure there's actually good adhesion all the way around. I've had really good luck with this 3M style tape, this foam mounting tape on the back. Just go ahead and take your time, give it some actual pressure on there. If you want, make sure this is in kind of a warm environment and probably help it stick better. You could even use some painter's tape to kind of really apply some pressure to it, cinch it down over all these areas if you want that really permanent install so it sticks really well. I'm just going to give it some firm pressure for 15-20 seconds. Make sure it's actually really nice and adhered. So just wanting to show off the completed install, it took me less than a minute per side. The trickiest part is actually peeling off the sticky backing, and I found that using like an X-Acto blade or a knife to help you get under that little film and peel it off is the easiest way to do it. I really like the side profile. I think it adds a little bit of, I don't know, just dimension to the side of your Tesla. I think it looks really nice. It does stick out just a little bit, kind of going down the side, but I think it looks really sharp and it doesn't interfere with any of your camera functionality. It's not even around the housing or anything like that. So really cool, adds a little bit of additional detail, lines up perfectly with your door panel here. I think it looks really sharp. Let me show you guys the other side that I did real quick. And there you go. Take a look at this side and see how it kind of matches up and looks. Again, tried to clean the car with just some of that waterless wash, but didn't do the best job. So I really need to take it through a car wash. I just haven't had time. Overall, I think these look really nice. What do you guys think? Would you install something like this on your car? Do you like the look? Obviously, it's not for everybody, but it just adds a little bit of dimension to the side of your Tesla. I think it looks really sharp. Right off the bat, I know it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea to install something like this on your Model Y. I think it looks pretty sharp. It's a way to actually accentuate these kind of side cameras that are kind of unique to Teslas. I like just showing it off just a little bit with a little bit of customization, a little bit of extra kind of fanfare. For the people that like to add spoilers or those front lips or the little eyebrows that go over your fog lights or anything like that, I think this is a cool addition to your Tesla. What do you guys think? Really excited to hear what you guys think down in the comments below. I knew this was a super short video. It's super simple to install these and they're crazy inexpensive, especially if you use my discount code right here on the screen. Like I said in the intro, I got these from EV-Base. They're a big sponsor of the channel. They offer tons of Tesla accessories, all kinds of customizations, more body kits than you could count. So if you're really interested in customizing your Tesla with wheel covers, body kits, check out EV-Base. Use code right here on the screen, Gamble1080, tell them I sent you. We do get a small commission for any order that you do place on their website at no additional cost to you. It just helps out the channel. So thank you guys for using my discount code. I do really appreciate it. If you're interested in any of the other ways I've customized my Tesla, check out all my playlists down below in the description. You can find all my Tesla videos there. Also check out my Amazon storefront. Tons of awesome things in there that I've linked, electric scooters, rideables, Tesla stuff, all kinds of things that I've reviewed, and just helps out the channel again if you check that out, so I appreciate it. Feel free to like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys coming back to the video as always, and have an awesome day.